here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a diamond painting unboxing for you. It's exciting. See what's in there. I think it's so interesting how they always call it cross stitch. They always put that into the name. And at first I was like, this isn't cross stitch. It's not embroidery. Why are they saying that? And then I understood that it's the same concept of making a picture out of little blocks. So people who have loved cross stitch and have done cross stitch all their lives would have no problem picking up the concept of this right away. I got some stickers, little fireman stickers. This is from Drill Shiny. This is my first Drill Shiny, and already I see it's drill messy. I see there's drills in there. That's all right. Spills happen. Okay, so I got a little gift of stickers. That's nice. A very nice white... Oh, there's bags in there. I couldn't figure out why there were no ridges on the tray. But there are. It's a white tray with a funnel, tweezers, pink wax, bags, a single pen with a 6 tip. A 6-placer tip. So that's nice. I made another pen grip, which I learned from watching a video on Megan's channel. That's preschool teacher, diamond painting addicts preschool teacher. I'm running out of color, so I need to get some more. I can do a couple more. But I'm sending this one to Stacy, who's the admin in the Facebook group. Oh. First, I'm going to throw it on the floor. So let's take a peek at the canvas. It's rolled around a foam core. Again, I heard everybody has opinions on things, you know. If I don't agree, I'm going to say I don't agree. It's nothing personal. I can't afford to be stressed out by something that's supposed to be fun. So I do not let things stress me out. I don't mind that because it means it's not going to be all creased, except for a few creases in the paper that happen when you unroll this very tightly rolled canvas. So I've heard of Drill Shiny, so I've been on a quest to try some of these other companies. You know, I don't want to be an Evermoment junkie. I want to try them all. A lot of them, though, are the same company in another form with another name. Which I understand that, you know. You want to go buy Valspar paint? Guess what? It's made by Sherwin-Williams now. They own Valspar. It happens. So this is a 30 by 45. The glue is coming up, so I'm going to give it a nice rub here. Make sure it's all stuck down. That was terrifying the first time I peeled the glue up. It doesn't want to come, so let me try over here. Does not look like they cut the paper. Which for this size, I can understand that, but it sure would have been nice. This paper, I cut it with my little, I have a little tiny pink box cutter here. A lot of people use X-Acto knives. I use this. Wow, it's really coming up badly. And I can't seem to get it. I may have to get a credit card out. Oh, no, this side peeled. Good, 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 good. Okay, don't rip it, don't rip it, don't rip it. I like the colors. What is this one? Oh, it's like an iguana, but he has all the colors on him. They've added colors to him. There. Can you see him? I like him. I think that's cool. I had an iguana, or my son had an iguana when he was little. They seem to be so cool, but man, he was mean. He was the meanest thing. He would whip his tail at us. We'd let him out, and he'd climb up on the curtains and sit up on the curtain rod at the top of the window, and then nobody could get him down. We've had all sorts of pets. There's his face. Oh, I'm sorry. I keep saying I'm going to fix that cord, and then I don't. Pretty cool. He looks neat. And from the picture, I can see there's lots of colors. Let me put the picture up so you can see it. And let's take a look at these, what's going on with these drills. I always wind up like, why am I making all that noise? So I'm trying to get the package open. Many of you know I'm a stroke survivor, so for years, well, not years, I think about 4 months, I had no use of my left hand at all. And my arm, it just lay there. I could not move it one bit. And you tried going even an hour without using your dominant arm, because I'm a lefty. And you will know the anguish that is stroke. So I got scissors. I put scissors everywhere because I couldn't open a package. I couldn't, you know, decide to have a snack. First of all, I couldn't get the snack. Second of all, I couldn't open the snack. Woo, drills, look at those. I'm gonna have to get my little ladybug out and clean them all up. I got 2 lists. Oh my gosh, that's because there's 54 colors. 54, that's the most I've had. Even in my big 60 by 80 that I'm working on. Holy moly. Okay, let me organize these and take inventory, and then I'll let you know how it goes. I'm missing 2 colors completely for a total of 3 bags. I found the bag that ripped open, so that leaves me 1 bag short of this color. And I'm not happy with the way these bags are marked, because here, I'm going to try and let you see. That's color 666, and I could barely read it. And there were many, many where the number is just so, sorry, I don't bend that way. Here we go. The numbers are just so spotty that, you know, I had to really, this took me forever to do the inventory, much longer than normal. Okay, so I would still recommend this one. I'm gonna make a complaint about the bags and the drills so that they know that someone needs to be more careful. But I really love this image. I love these ones of like normal animals with all the colors. Sorry, make sure I hold that long enough. So many colors in here, and they really are beautiful colors. As I was going through, there's enough of like a muted background color. All this empty space is gonna take forever to do. But even that, I'll hold still, is like a gradient. See how the background isn't all one color? It's a gradient, so that's going to be made of many colors, which will make things much more interesting. That was a smart move for them to put something on a gradient background. I'm going to go. Bibi's sitting here. Come here, Bibi. She looks so pretty in her little dress. If you like my videos, hit like. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I put new ones out. I'm doing at least one a day, sometimes two. And come join us on Facebook. We're having a lot of fun. Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting is the name of the Facebook group. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I'm having a lot of fun doing these unboxings and getting to see so many fun diamond paintings and meeting so many fun people. Have a great day and have fun diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.